Hi guys, welcome back to the video. Welcome back to the channel. So I'm back with another video. As you can see, my hair is all, well, I took it down just a few minutes ago, and I'm gonna be doing a new video about me trying out Mielle products. So if you started this journey with me, you know I've been struggling with my hair, so I wanted to try this Mielle product. I have the shampoo and I have the conditioner, and I'm also going to be doing the Coily smoothie just to see how it's going to react to my hair. I don't know. So my hair has been dry. If you've watched our videos, you know that I've been having a rough time trying to figure out which products can work with my hair. So the last video that I did, I tried coconut oil and avocado conditioner, and aloe vera conditioner on my hair. That was the last time I actually did anything to this hair. So I did that, put cornrows in it, and then I did not touch it. I've just been moisturizing it every week. I think I've had it now for like 5 weeks. I had cornrows for 5 weeks, I know. But anyway, I was washing it, so it was good, and I noticed that my hair is not looking as dry as it was before. So I'm gonna be trying this product, and I guess we'll see how it goes. It says that it's good for type 4 hair. I've seen reviews on it. I do not know how it's gonna react to my 4C coily hair, but I guess we'll see how it's gonna be. So I guess we'll get started. So my hair is already divided into sections. That's how I like to wash it. So I'm just gonna keep going from section to section, and then once I'm done, I'm gonna put conditioner in it, and then the whole shebang, you know? Some good music! Oh. So I just got done putting the conditioner on. I'm gonna comb through it and then let it sit for 15 minutes. But let's see how it's gonna be able to comb, if it's gonna be able to comb through. Let's look at that. I guess it does work for type 4 hair. Okay, so that's a wide tooth comb. Let me try. Whoa guys, look at that bounce. I love it. And my hair smells so good. Guys, I found my product! Oh my god, I can't believe it. I was struggling, and it was this out there all this while. Anyway, see you guys in a few. It's been about 15 minutes thereabout, and honestly guys, I'm loving this. I don't know, the struggle of finding products that work for your hair, and I'm not lying when I say this. I've been struggling with dry, kinky, coily hair for a while now, and I've been trying to find products that work for my hair because I've just been having my hair in protective styling, because it's just a struggle having it out and trying to manage it, and you can't really do anything with it. But now, oh my god, this totally works for me. It's expensive, And I was pinching myself when I was getting these products, and I was telling myself, I'm getting this product, it's expensive, but is it gonna work for me? Is it gonna be worth it? And I was telling myself, what if it doesn't work for me? And I bought it already. I bought 3 of this and it doesn't work for me. I'll be so sad. But I'm so happy that it works for me, and I don't care how much I spent on it. Me and my hair are gonna be having a love relationship now. We were having a love-hate relationship before, but now it's all love, guys. It's all love. It's all love. Okay, so let's get to rinsing this conditioner off. All done. Oh, my hair smells so good. So I'm all dried up. My hair is still done. I'm gonna be using the Curl Smoothing Cream. If you can focus. Yes, that's what I'm gonna be using to moisturize my hair. Let's see. Hopefully it works as good as it smells good too. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna moisturize my hair using this Curl Smoothie, and then I'm gonna be trying on the curl formers. Obsessed with this show. It's called Love Island. I started watching Love Island UK during quarantine and I loved it. And when I found out that they have a US version, I never really got to watch the first season, but I'm watching the current season, and guess what, guys? There's a Kenyan girl. Well, not really Kenyan, but she did live in Kenya as a refugee. She's from Congo, originally from Congo, but she's on the show and she's killing it. She is killing it. So I love watching her, and she's coupled up with this guy called Caleb. And when I tell you this guy is fine, he is fine. He's fine, he's good looking, and treats her so good. He set the bar so high to the point where you're like, I'm not gonna be taking any kind of nonsense from guys. Like, I need to know where they make this guy at so I can go and get my own Caleb, you know? I'm like a kid in a candy store. I'm loving this product. Look, look, look. I've never seen my hair looking like that. No, never, ever. Look at that definition. No product has done that to my hair. No, absolutely no product. So anyway, so I'm gonna moisturize my whole hair and then come back and do the curl formers, okay? My hair is all moisturized and I love this. It did not disappoint. So what I'm gonna do now is try this curl formers. I don't know how to put them on, so it's the first time I'm putting them on. Between me using Mielle products, this is the hair that I shed off washing, conditioning, and combing it, and this is the hair that I've shed off combing it after everything else, just using the curl smoothing. rest on my hair with this struggle, and then I will be back. Here's the last one. Yay! You can barely see me through this. Oh my god, all these colors. But it's not really that hard to put it in. It was a struggle at the beginning, but it's all good. It's all good. I got it. It's the last one. So just twist my hair in there and then pull it in slowly, and then once it's at the end, pull it out and take it off the hook and twist it because it's curling up together, and then voila. Voila. And the good thing is it's a mesh actually, so my hair is not all the way dried up, so it's gonna dry up. I don't think I'm gonna keep this all night. I won't be able to sleep properly because I feel like some parts are tight, some are not. So I'm gonna keep this until my hair dries up. It's the next day. I tried to sleep in this, actually succeeded in sleeping in it. It was not the most comfortable situation. I had them all day today. It's about 5, a little bit after 5, and I had them on yesterday at around 10. So we're gonna see what it looks like. I don't know, I'm excited about it. Let's pull it out. Final one. Look at that bounce. Oh my god. It looks so different. Anyway, so I'm gonna style it, and then I will show you the final